Drowning in AI tools, let's cut through the noise and pinpoint the perfect platform for your needs. Today, we're going head-to-head with 5 of the hottest AI tools on the market: Flowise, Langflow, Dify, Vectorshift, and Voiceflow. We'll be breaking down their core features, ease of use, and, most importantly, the cost, to help you make an informed decision. First up, Flowise and Langflow. Both offer a visual, drag-and-drop interface, making them excellent choices for those who prefer a more hands-on, no-code approach to building AI applications. Expect a similar workflow and ease of use with the two, but Langflow edges out Flowise with custom component building capability. Now, let's shift our focus to Dify. Dify emphasizes streamlined AI application development, providing a structured environment for building and deploying complete AI solutions. Dify provides a built-in user interface and does not require you to develop one. This gives Dify an edge on production speed. Next, we'll dive into Vectorshift, the data-centric AI powerhouse. Vectorshift specializes in connecting to various databases and seamlessly processing your data with AI models to answer questions in a matter of seconds. Finally, we have Voiceflow, the go-to platform for crafting incredible voice experiences. If you're all about building voice assistants and conversational AI, Voiceflow offers a rich set of features specifically designed for this purpose. Now, let's quickly review a quick comparison table. As you can see, each tool has its own strengths. Flowise and Langflow offer flexibility, Dify focuses on application building, Vectorshift champions data processing, and Voiceflow is perfect for voice AI. The best choice depends on your specific needs and project requirements. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool deep dives.